Okay, we are already almost done with our discussion, no? Laan na to sa slab. Slab will be the last part of our discussion for the steelworks. Other steelworks is manumano ra gyud na sila tanuno. Their accounting, tanawa lang siya ng plans. Kung yun sa siya pag-presented to, and then yung ikuan, quantify lang din mo. Okay. So this is the one natay duha ka klase ni slab, no? We have the one-way slab and the two-way slab. So, karon sa gamiton si one-way slab o si two-way slab. So, si one-way slab, ay mo nang tan-awon, no? The long to short span nga, sa ni, ratio. If ang long side, divide nimo sa short side, and then, the result is greater than 2, then use one way. Or kung imo po ning balihon, no, the short side, and then divided by the long side, and then if ang result is less than 0.5, then use one way. Else, greater than 0.5, then use two way. Kung nila itsura, unsa may kalainan na nila ang reinforcement. So for the one-way slab, ang reinforcement all throughout the length is one way ra gyud na. Well, sir, wala di ko sir kabili along that direction na agyapon. But ang main reinforcement is only in one direction. So for this one, ingani lang yung main reinforcement. For the two ways, na reinforcement along that direction and along this direction. Mo na ilang kalainan. So one of the most commonly used concrete floor system is the solid slab that is continuous over parallel supports. The supports may consist of bearing walls of masonry or set of evenly spaced concrete beams. So mo na siya yung itsura, no? This is a one-way slab. Example, this is the section view, and then this is the in detail plan or the plan view. Pareha na sila. So pagtanan nimo sa plan, ay ginatawag nato dira og bend bars. So usay ginatawag ni siya bent up. So ang bend bars mo nang katong ginabend kani ba? Ginabend is the bent bars or bent up bars. Dili po na siya ginatudlo nga straight bars. Ang straight bars is straight lang ni siya all throughout. Ana, that is the straight bars. And then we have the cut bars. Unsa man yung cut bars? Ang cut bars dili lang na siya sa tumoy ibutang. We call that cut bars. And then what else? Temperature bars. So kani sila no kaning all throughout the length perpendicular to the direction of the main bars. For the one way, man siya ginatawag na to og temperature bars. Tapos as you can see no na i-beam diri, na i-beam, mo extend tayo ni siya diri. Ang length ani of extension is L over 4. Unsa man ni si L? That is the clear span. So L over 4 dira, that is the extension. And then the location of the bend is at L over 5. So aron masabtan diretso ta 12.1 by direct counting method. Actually ang slab is direct ko na siya ng counting method. So sa may na diri 12 mm daw ang steel bars kay gigamit. Reinforcing a steel, and actually napay given ani wala lang napakita diri. Ang main bars, ang spacing is 0.15 meters, while ang temperature bars, no, ang other bars, ang spacing kay kuan mo siya na times 2, 0.3 meters. What else? One way to MM bars. Okay. First is determine the length of main bars. So natay duha ka main bars. Natay straight bars, napod tay bent up bars. By the way, no, yes. So first is pila man kabuok ang reinforcements na to, main reinforcements. So kani nga length, diba that is 4.7 meters or 470 centimeters. That is the center to center. Now ang L ani is minus man sa beam. Kanya ang beam daw is 0.15 ang katunga ay 0.15 meters. So sa ato pa, minus 0.15 on this side and then minus 0.15 on this side. Sa ato pa, the L for this one on this side is 4.4 meters. So nga nung dili mo nagsugod. First manggod is kuha na to pila ka main bars atong kuhaon. So that is just 4.4 meters divided by the spacing of the main bars. So approximately or round up to the whole number, that is 30 pieces. Spacing, by the way, plus 1. Let me erase this one. Diretso na, no? Plus 1. So we have 31 pieces. This is the combination of straight bars and bend bars. Karon ko ano to ang length? Pila ang length ni straight bars? Ang length sa usa ka straight bar, kung tanawon na to ang drawing, so mo man ni siya, paingon mo na siya dira. So that is 4.3 meters plus take note that napa na siya extension diri. That is at L over 4, di ba? So actually kaning 4.3 kung L lang gid na siya, that is 4 meters plus the L over 4. The L over 4 is 4 meters man and then duha sila ka buok. So we have the 4 meters divided by 4. That is the length of the straight bars. So we have 4 plus 2, we have 6 meters. And no, sorry. This is 4.3 day. 4.3 gid siya and then 4.3 meters plus duha ka for L over 4. So this is at 6.3 meters. Na naman sir, tanaw ang drawing. So dire, that is 4.3. Ana pa di gani plus 0.15 plus 0.15 pag yun. And then the L over 4. So mag-add pa rita dire og plus 0.3. So we have 6.6 meters for this straight. For the bend, ila man ang so tanaw ang drawing. So this is L over 4. Dili po sa pikas L over 4 gyapon na. Plus the width of the beam plus L over 5. So kana lang sa 2 times L over 4 plus L over 5 plus 0.3 for the beam na width. And then plus kani pila man ni siya. Makuti kay no. So ibutang nato nga 45 degrees na siya. So pila man ang depth ani niya? Kabalo ta sa depth ani. Pila man ang depth? If let's say badawin mo man pud gyatag butang nato nga ang thickness of this slab is 150 mm. So minus the clear cover, ang clear cover ni slab is 20 mm, 25 mm. Ibutan na to nga 25 mm, then up and down man, so 25 mm times 2, so 100 mm ni siya ang length ani. So para makuha nato ni siya, di ba that is just C is equal to the square root of 100 squared, 0.1 squared, 0.1 squared plus 0.1 squared. So ang length nato dira, ato lang na siya ikuan. Diretso na nakog butang diri for the length of the bed is 0.0.14 meters. Plus, duha ni sila ka buok, diba? Kay duha man to ka bend. Plus kani, pila man ni siya. So i-minus na to ni mo tanan no, the L minus L over 5 minus diri, natin tayo makuha nga 2.2 meters. Yan na ko i-show basta ang point is ingana lang na siya, minus na din siya. 2.2 meters. So ang overall din nga length for the bend bars is 6.68 meters. Oops. So ato na lang ni ikuan no, 6.7 na lang na to. 6.7 meters. Okay, let me erase this part here. Now, karon, next na to din nga step is, mo dito, i-check din na to siya sa commercial nga length. Okay, we have a kuan man, 6.7 and 6.6 nga cut bars. Pero let's say no nga 6.7 na lang ato ang gamiton nga length. Nga na 7 man sir para dili kita mo short. So let's say we're going to use 7.5 meters divided by 6.7 ka cut bars, 6.7 meters ka cut bars, natay, so sa 6.7 actually, isa ra gyud ato magamit ani no? One cut bar for the 7.5 meters. So sa 7.5, isa man ka cut bar, sa ato pa, order na ta diretso og 31 pieces na 12 mm diameter by 7.5 meters. So this is for the main nga kuan enforcement. Next is kang cut bars. Next is the temperature bars. So unsa man si temperature bars? This is the main bars, next is the temperature bars. So kung mao ni si main bars, napaday cut bars diri no kani diri nga side. Cut bars. So pila man na siya, pila ang length ana. So first is ang spacing ani niya is at 0.3 meters. So pila ka buok cut bars maigo diri. So that is 4.4 meters divided by 0.3 and then plus 1, that is equal to 16 pieces. Kaya karon kay on both sides man ni sila, sa ato pa i-times 2 na nimo, pag times 2 ka, times 2 sides, we have 32 ka cut bars. 32 ka cut bars. So, 32 ka cut bars and then pila yung length. Length sa usa ka cut bar. So, mo ni siya no, this is na diri si cut bar. The length is L over 4 plus L over 5 plus 0.3 kang beam. Kinsa mga nga L sir kang 4.7 or si 4.3. So kung unsa kayang direction mo puti yung kuan nga length. So along this direction. Pero kabalo man ta nga si 4.3 is that is center to center. So minusan pa nato og beam that is 4 meters, di ba? So that is just equal to 4 meters divided by 4 plus 4 meters divided by 5 plus 0.3 meters. And that is equal to 2.1 meters. 2.1 meters. Sina naman tayo length, no? 2.1 meters. So, ano ito? I-check din nato no? For the 7.5 meters, so ato na lang isabay, nag 7.5 man sa main, ato na lang po isabay tira. 7.5 divided by 2.1 meters, we can get a 3.57 or 3 ka-cuts kada 7.5 meters. Tulo ka 2.1 for the 7.5 for the 7.5 meter nga bars. And then to get the number of bars, so pila man to tanan. For this one ay 32 ka cut bars. Then i-divide na mo into 3. So kinahanglan ta og 11. Take note ang up na ni 11 pieces for this one. So ato pa for the cut bars, we need 11 pieces of 12 mm diameter nga 7.5 meter long nga bar. So mo ni siya no for the for the slab medyo kutigid siya. Especially if they're counting. After the cut bars, atong na sad is kani sila o kaning shrinkage and temperature bars. So same step, pila man ni sila kabuok. So that is 4 meters divided by spacing of 0.3 plus 1. So overall, that is 15 pieces. And if we're going to use 6 meters, and then ang length ani niya is, that is already actually more than 5 meters. So if we are going to use the 6 meters, ato pa, kada linya, isa ka 6 meters na siya. Sa ato pa, for this one, muna na siya magmatic na, okay, let's use 15 pieces, 12 mm diameter bar, nga 6 meters in length. Mas gamay po siya og waist. And then, that is for the one direction niya. Kay top and bottom man ni siya. So times 2. So we need a total of 30 pieces. Not really 30 pieces din. No. Ang top ani nga part is, okay, let me erase that one. This is the bottom, and then ang top ani nga part is dili man na siya tanan. No? If you're going to look closely at, here, ang top nga part is nara dili. No? So along that part, let me write it down. That is, ibutang lang nato lugar nga dili lang gid sa sulod, dili lang gid nga part. So that is L over 5, di ba? Now L over 5 is equal to 0.8 meters. And then, di ba, if you remember, 0.8 meters. And then, ang spacing, di ba, is 0.3 meters. Sa ato pa, kinahanglan taog 3 pieces. Take note that this is already round out. And then, duha man ni ka side. So, we multiply it with 2 times 2. So, kinahanglan taog 6 pieces. Now, i-add na nimo diri and kana. So, we have the 15 plus 6. So, for this one, kinahanglan taog 21 pieces of 12 millimeter diameter bar by 6 meter length nga bar. So, to summary, let's just summarize that, no? For the main bars, kinahanglan taog 31 and 11. Kinahanglan taog 31 plus 11, that is equal to 42 pieces of 12 millimeter diameter by, not 6 meters, but 7.5 meters, 7.5 meters long na bar. And for the temperature bars, we need a total of this one, 21 pieces of 12 millimeter diameter by 6 meter long na bar. Yan na siya. Next is we're going to discuss ang area method. Okay, ang area method is mas dali.